Hey everyone! If you're editing an image in Photopea and you're not sure how to export it properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to export your image in Photopea the right way, quickly and easily. First, make sure your design or image is fully ready inside Photopea. Check all layers, text, and edits carefully before exporting to avoid mistakes. Next, go to the top menu and click on File. This is where all saving and exporting options are located in Photopea. Now click Export As and choose your format. PNG is best for transparency, JPG is great for smaller file size, and SVG works well for vector graphics. Before exporting, adjust your settings. Set image quality, size, and transparency depending on your needs so your final output looks perfect. Once everything is ready, click Save or Download. Your image will be exported and automatically saved to your computer. Finally, open your Downloads folder and check your exported image. Always make sure the quality and format are correct after exporting. So yeah, that's how you export an image in Photopea. It's simple, fast, and gives you full control over your design output. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner Photopea tutorials for easy tips and tricks.